Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, students. Welcome back in your mathematics class. I hope you all are fine and doing well. Okay, today we are going to study cube and cube root. How to find cube and cube root. So, what is cube? The cube of a number is that number raised to the power 3. For example, 3 to the power 3. What is the cube of 3 here? The cube of 3 here is 3 to the power 3, which means that 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, which gives 27, right? So the cube of a number is that number raised to a power 3. For example, cube of 6. Cube of 6 is 6 to the power 3, which is equals to 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6, which gives 216. So the cube of 6 is 216. Now what are perfect cube? You all know that 2 to the power 3 is equals to 8, 4 to the power 3 is equals to 64, right? So the number 8, 64 are called perfect cubes. 6 to the power 3 is equals to 216. So they all are perfect cube. A natural number is said to be a perfect cube if it is the cube of some natural number. The table is given. The table is given on page number 83. You have to learn the cubes of first 20 natural numbers. So the table is given on page number 83. Okay. Cube root. 8 is the cube of 2, right? So you can say that 2 is the cube root of 8. 4 is the cube root of 64. 11 is the cube root of 1331. Right? The cube root of a number is indicated by this sign. So the cube root of 8 is 22 or is 2. Cube root of 27 is equals to 3. Cube root of 64 is equals to 4. Understood? I have taken couple of examples to make you understand how to find out the cube root of different numbers. Let's see example 1. Find the cube root of 512. So our first step is we first find out the prime factors of 512. So here we get 2 to the 4, 2 5 is the 10, 2 6 is the 12, 2 8 is the 16, 2 6 is the 12, 2 4 is the 8, 2 3 is the 6, 2 2 is the 4, 2 1 is the 2, 2 6 is the 12, 2 8 times, 2 4 times, 2 2 times and 2 1 times. Now we'll write the factors here. Here we have to find the cube root of 502. Now we'll write the factors. So here we have written the factors. Now we separate into groups of 3 similar factors each. Like this. Okay. Now pick up one factor from each group. Since we are finding out the cube root, now we pick up one factor from each group and then we multiply. So here 2, then from here also 2, and then now we multiply 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So the cube root of 512 is 8. Next example, find the cube root of each of the following. First, minus 8 into 729. We have to find out the cube root of minus 8 and 729. So we first find out the factors of 8 and 729 separately. So first find out the factors of 8 minus 8. So the factors of prime factors of minus 8 is minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, and the prime factors of 729, 9 into 9 into 9. Now we pick one factor from each group. So from here we'll pick minus 2, and from here we'll pick 9, and then we multiply. So here we get the answer minus 18. Next one, 216 by 343. So cube root of 216 by 343. So we find out the cube root of numerator and then the cube root of denominator. So the prime factor of 216 is minus 6 multiplied by minus 6 multiplied by minus 6 upon, and prime factors of 343, 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. Now from here we'll pick minus 6, and from here we have 7. So our answer is, we have to find the cube root now. So our answer is this, minus 6 by 7. Now look at this question. Find the side of a cube whose volume is 729 by 343 centimeter cube. Here what is given? The volume of a cube is given. So volume of a cube is equals to 729 by 343 centimeter cube. Now what we have to find? We have to find out the side of a cube. We have to find this. So let the side of a cube be x. Now we all know the formula, volume of cube. Volume of cube is equals to side cube. This is the formula to find out the volume of a cube, right? So here what is given? Volume of cube is given. So we write the volume of cube here, 729 by 343, and side x cube. Okay. Now what we do? Now we'll take the cube root on both the sides to find the value of x. So here 729, we find out the prime factors of 729, 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9, and similarly here 343 means 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7, and here x to the power 3 means x is multiplied 3 times. So x multiplied by x multiplied by x. So from here we'll pick out 9, and from here we pick out 7, and from here we'll pick x. So here we get the value of x, 9 by 7. It means that side of a cube is equals to 9 by 7 centimeters. Change this into improper fraction, so into the mixed fraction. So here you will get one whole number, 2 by 7 centimeter. This is your required answer.